Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to delete apps on Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on that and then go to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to apps right here. Click on apps. Then you take it right here. Then what you need to do right here is to simply scroll down and look for the actual app that you would like to uninstall. Next thing you want to do, for instance, I'm going to uninstall this one right here. I'm going to select on that. Then I will simply click on uninstall right here. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on uninstall. Then I'm going to simply click on yes. And in a few seconds, every data information about the app is going to be totally deleted and removed from my Windows PC. Premiere Pro preferences. Would you like to remove notification alert interface setting and the preferences? Simply click on yes. Install completely. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on close right here, and it's as simple as that. The app is no longer here. So basically this is how to delete or uninstall apps and programs on Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.